Starting things off tonight by taking a look at the forecast for your Labor Day Monday. Expect a mix of sunshine and clouds all throughout the course of the day tomorrow. Only a very small chance of an isolated shower or storm, particularly throughout the afternoon hours. Temperatures will be starting off in the low to mid 70s before quickly warming up into the mid to upper 80s towards your afternoon hours. Overnight lows will drop down into the upper 70s and lower 80s. As you head into your Tuesday along the Grand Strand, once again, the exact same thing as tomorrow. A mix of sunshine and clouds is expected with only a very small chance of an isolated shower or storm, particularly throughout your afternoon hours. Temperatures will be starting off around 77 degrees before topping out in the mid 80s as you were heading home from work or school. Overnight lows will drop down into the low 80s as you head deeper into your evening and eventually into your overnight hours as well. As you head further inland, once again, the exact same thing, a mix of sunshine and clouds is expected with only a very small chance of an isolated shower or storm. Temperatures will be starting off in the low to mid 70s for your morning rush before quickly warming up into the mid to upper 80s as you were heading home from work or school. Overnight lows will drop back down into the lower 80s as you head deeper into your evening and into your overnight hours as well. About a 20 to 30% chance of rain is expected Monday through Thursday, and then we do have a cold front that'll be heading into our area come Friday and Saturday, and that will bump our rain chances up to a 40% chance. Once again, that's for your Friday and Saturday, and then we go back down to a 30% chance of rain for your Sunday. Now, I know by looking at this graphic, it may look like we have a lot going on in the tropics, but we actually really don't. Here's Hurricane Danielle. Maximum is the same one's at 85 miles per hour and is currently a Category 1 hurricane. Then we have Tropical Storm Earl quickly gaining strength right now just to the north of San Juan, Puerto Rico. And then last but not least, this tropical wave that is just now making its way off of the western coast of Africa. It only has about a 20 to 30% chance of becoming a named storm. The reason for that is because as it heads out into the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean, it's going to be battling a lot of wind shear and dry air as well, and that is why the National Hurricane Center has only given it about a 20 to 30% chance of becoming a named storm over the next 3 to 5 days. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Earl. Plenty of convection showing up here on the infrared satellite, just showing you how cold those cloud tops are. Maximum the same one's at 50 miles per hour right now, and it's currently moving to the northwest at 5 miles per hour. And I know this graphic may look a little bit concerning to you, considering it has it becoming a hurricane by early Tuesday morning, but the big picture here is that once it becomes a hurricane, it'll actually start turning out to sea, which is a very good thing. We don't want this thing coming anywhere close to the United States. So let's get this thing turning northeast and heading out to sea as fast as possible. And this thing will actually be pretty interesting to watch, considering models are indicating by this by this Friday, we could be looking at our first major hurricane of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season. By this upcoming Friday, we could be looking at a Category 3 hurricane with winds around 115 miles per hour. Once again, bottom line, this thing will be turning out to sea over the next 36 to 48 hours and will be coming anywhere close to our home area. Here is Hurricane Danielle, currently a Category 1 hurricane, and still does have a pretty well-defined eye, which is indicating we're still seeing some strengthening within the system. Maximum the same ones right now of 85 miles per hour and is only moving to the north at 2 miles per hour. And unlike Earl, which will be strengthening over the next 3 to 5 days, Danielle will actually begin to weaken over the next 5 days as it continues to head north-northeast, even further and further out into the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Bottom line, Earl and Danielle, I should say, are no threat to anyone here in the United States. Here's your 10-day forecast along the Grand Strand. A pretty decent forecast for your Labor Day Monday with a mix of sunshine and clouds. Only a very small chance of an isolated shower or storm. We bump those rain chances down to a 20% chance for your Tuesday, and then we have about a 30 to 40% chance of rain Wednesday through Saturday. Look for afternoon highs to top out in the mid to upper 80s, along with overnight lows dropping down into the mid to upper 70s, I should say. As you head further inland, about a 20 to 30% chance of rain is expected Monday through Thursday, that is. We bump those rain chances up to a 40% chance for your Friday and Saturday. Look for afternoon highs to top out in the mid to upper 80s before dropping down into the low 70s overnight. Keep it here at Liam's Weather for all the latest information. And once again, there is nothing to worry about in the tropics.